Have a JBW file from a project scheduling system? This stores schedule data from Scitor Project Scheduler. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Scitor Project Scheduler schedule data files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common JBW Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. JBW files are schedule data files used by Scitor Project Scheduler, a project management application later acquired by Sciforma. They contain project schedule information including task definitions, dependencies, resource assignments, timelines, and progress tracking, used by project managers for planning and monitoring complex projects. JBW files use a proprietary format developed by Scitor for project schedule storage, with task records, dependency relationships, resource allocations, cost data, and Gantt chart visualization parameters. The format integrates with Scitor's project management methodology, supporting earned value management and critical path analysis features. The industry standard application for JBW is considered to be Project Scheduler from Scitor. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows can't interpret the detailed content, so proper access depends on the intended data program. Your first step towards recovery. Right-click the JBW file and choose Open With. If Project Scheduler is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. If the JBW file won't open, don't panic. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening in Sciforma. Install Sciforma or legacy Scitor Project Scheduler software, which handle JBW files. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the JBW project schedule. The software displays the project with Gantt charts, task lists, resource sheets, and progress tracking for ongoing project management activities and reporting. Next, migrating to modern software. Export JBW project data to standard formats like Microsoft Project MPP or XML for migration to modern project management platforms. Tools like Sciforma's export functions or third-party converters facilitate data transfer to Microsoft Project Primavera P6 or cloud-based platforms like Monday.com, preserving project structure and history. Finally, recovering project data. If Scitor or Sciforma software is unavailable, inspect JBW files in text or hex editors for readable project information. Task names, dates, and basic structure may be visible, enabling manual recreation in modern project management software. This recovery preserves essential project knowledge when legacy systems cannot be maintained. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.